Right here we have the Govee Life Smart Air Purifier. I love it because you can control with the app. Right here we got the sleeping mode, super quiet. But you see right here, this is the fan speed. You can go to lowest fan speed, boom. You can go medium fan speed, boom. High fan speed, boom. And it's pretty quiet for even a high fan speed. This thing is really cool. You can turn on and off the night light right here by this button on the app right here. Turn it on and off. You can also use this button right here too. But with the app, dude, that's crazy right here. You can go to different light. You can dial in your light. You have different scene modes. You get the forest mode. You got the ocean mode. You got the wetland mode, you got the leisure mode right there. You also got the asleep mode. Very cool to have these different modes. You can have a DIY, change it up any way you like. It's simple, easy. App control, you can have some scheduling. You can set your timer for when this thing goes to sleep. Very cool. And then you can see all these display right here. You can turn off all display with one button right there. The lights are off, the night light's off. You can turn back the display right here. And then you see this display is on. You can also turn back the night light right there. Super easy. You have a filter indicator right here. It tells you the life of your filter. You also have a light right here. It turns on when you need to replace the filter. Super easy. You got the filter right there, and you can connect this with the Govee Air Quality Monitor as well. Another cool feature about this Govee Smart Air Purifier is this back here. You have a slot for your aromatherapy. Put a couple of drops of essential oils right here, and then you got some nice aromatherapy with the Govee Smart Wi-Fi Air Purifier right there. Oh yeah.